Hey there. Didn't see you come in. Thanks for stopping by the Honda VTEC Miata Turbo Garage. Miata Turbo Garage. Hey, how's it going? Oh, jeez, I didn't even see you come in. Thanks for coming by. You gonna help out a little bit today, or just stand and watch like usual? Well, anyways, I do appreciate you coming to see my Turbo Honda Miata VTEC Turbo Miata Garage. It's confusing, so much out there. So this is the Turbo Miata Garage. I don't know, what should I do? Just like play some music, or take some stuff apart? Sound like I'm like working. Oh, look. Hey, look at that. Really useful. Anybody need one of these? Let me know. Hit me up. Hit me up. Hit me up. Hit me up. Oh dang! What is this? What in the world? It says Flyin Miata on it. And it's even taped up and everything. Taped up and everything. So, I guess we can figure out what's in there. You want to be able to see down there? Okay. Why not? Makes sense. There you go. Now you can see down there. So it's a box. It's a box with some stuff in it. So the first thing you do is rip the tape off, sort of like that, and pull the box apart so you can't set it back. Take out the paper. Oh look. Dang, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like lay it out. If it gets a little scratched, I'm not gonna worry about it. People might think that's dumb. Other people might think that's smart. I think neither. I'm just lazy. Fucking sweet. This is like literally the first time I've seen it too. It's a little sharp. I might just grab a glove. A paper towel. That is pretty nice stuff. I gotta say, look at that. Whoo! Whoo, doggy. You got the frame rail things here. They got all these triangles cut in. What, for getting the lightness out. That's a reference to a certain Canadian dude. Yeah, they got those. They got that stuff. That's pretty sweet. And sweet too. Awesome. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked about this one. Let me go ahead and lay it out here so it looks cool for everybody. So I got this from Flyin Miata, and it was pretty cheap right now. It was on sale, like $200 off what it was before. I paid real money for this. I didn't get any sponsors. As hard as that may be for some of you to believe with my 35 views. There we go. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna take these apart now. Check that out. So I will be doing an install video for you guys. I have a buddy, what's name is Kyle, and he might come help me out with that, and that would be fun. Otherwise, I'll just do it alone. That's cool, shiny, huh? You can kind of see the three-dimensionality of it. I suppose I could show you guys my squished frame rails, but first let's finish unboxing things. I got some other stuff here in the mail too. Let's see what this is. I think it's part of the same stuff, pretty much. Pretty much sure it is, since it says Miata on it. Flyin Miata. Don't you love tearing the tape off? It's so satisfying. Try not to curse. Told me I wouldn't make any money off this if I cursed. So, that one. And this box is now open as well. So the first thing you do on this one, of course, is also take off the paper. Mixed merchandise. Check contents carefully. Assuming that's our hardware. Put it over here. That's cool. Orange. Very contrastual. Alright, so this is the other part of the butterfly brace. We're just going to take that out. Dang. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't get the OBX one. This looks really serious. That's pretty cool. So I guess I haven't really gone through much about, check that out. So the back side is like, you know, it's not just like, it's gusseted, I guess. Yeah, gusseted pretty nicely. Looks real nice finish on the other side. Woo, burritos. I burped a little. And I guess there's just one of those. Okay, awesome. Makes sense. That's like the middle piece. So this is the Flyin Miata Butterfly Brace. Underneath this car, the frame rails are a bit smashed, and so I got these frame rail braces, and well, wouldn't you know it, was almost about the same price to get the whole deal. So I got the whole deal, and it is just slowly inching towards the ground, or I'm hallucinating. Anyways, probably hallucinating. So that's pretty cool. You see, like, I think this piece is gusseted too. Yeah, look. I mean, they definitely put some work into this. It's not just like some press bent stuff. There's a couple gussets and welds in there too. I mean, it's a little expensive, but from what I heard, it makes quite the difference in the handling of your Miata. So stay tuned. We'll be checking that out. I'm gonna get this on here probably in the next couple days. So I'll be posting that as well. All right, so that is the Flyin Miata Butterfly Brace kit. And so now you're probably saying, well, why would I want a Flyin Miata Butterfly Brace kit? First ask yourself, how did I do this cool shot? How did I do it? Magic. No, it's really a drone. No, it's really a magic. Very nice stand that my grandfather gave. Magic. So, I'm gonna release this thing. We are for magic. Now, like I said, that's the kit. That thing was pretty awesome. Man, you can't even see what that says there. Should we zoom in? Zoom in. And it fell. Promptly fell on the ground. Look at that. It's a bag of stuff. Stuffy stuff. A magic bag. I don't know if you can see that too good under here. But what we're going for is a look. You can kind of see. There's the frame rail. And you can kind of see how it's smashed right about there. And if you look at the other one, you can kind of see how that one's smashed there too. Maybe if I get a little light, it'll be easier. Ugh. The thing about getting lights is it would require me to actually think about what I'm doing in advance, and that ruins the whole fun of this for me. So deal with it. I'm not going to be using this anyways. Super blurry. Alright, don't throw up. You'll be fine. Let's see if this will work better now. There we go. Now I can see. See right there where it's smashed up? That's the far frame rail. And you can see this one now too. All boogered up. So that should help with that. And there's another problem. We have this part right here. Anybody know what that is? That is another torsion diff that your boy Steve Grizzle went and got out of a Mazda Speed Miata. So it has a 3.9 and pretty desirable for me since I'm going to be turbo and making a bunch of horsepower. I also have this roll bar. I'm not really sure about the roll bar. I think we could either sell it and get a cage, or heck, I don't know. Sell it, get a cage, throw it on this one and kind of like attach a cage to it. I don't know. How's this working for you guys? Ugh. Anyways, so there's a little idea about that stuff. Ooh, it's hot out here already. Sweating. Some people say it's a beautiful day. I say it's too damn hot already. Alright, so this is what I wanted to show you. There is my other torsion diff that I got out of a Mazda Speed Miata. Magic. That thing is pretty awesome. It's a 3.9, which is more desirable. Now this car supposedly has a torsion in it. I haven't been able to test that, but I'm leaning towards it does because everything else has been true so far. So I don't know where I was going with that. Oh yeah. Anyways, if you see here, there's some mounts on the front. Right where I'm going to put my foot. Right there. Magic. Now in the NB Miata, those mount right to the chassis, but we don't have that luxury in the NA chassis, so I was thinking about maybe getting some or fabbing some myself if I decide to get a welder and learn how to weld. Fabbing some mounts up for that. Cool, so hope you guys thought that was a cool vid. I didn't really do any outros before, so working on this outro game of mine. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing me unbox this, and I'll definitely be looking for more updates to provide you, and I hope you come back and check it out. We're going to be making some serious power on this car, at least for a Miata, and it's going to be hauling some ass. Hope you come back to see it. Take it easy.